T20 बैटर हैं आप इस समय पर, निजी रूप से आपके लिए कितना ज़रूरी था, क्योंकि वर्ल्ड कप हम जीते वो एज अ टीम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट 6 महीने के अंदर नंबर 1 T20 बैटर बन जाना, और इस समय पर भी अगर आप वाइट बॉल देखें तो आप सबसे बेहतरीन फॉर्म में रहते हैं, वनडे में भी आपने 100 लगाया, ये आपके लिए कितना ज़रूरी था जर्नी में वापस आकर तुरंत इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट करना?
I think, as a player, you just think about getting better every day. And, any player, I think, even if it's anyone, सबका यही mindset रहना चाहिए था कि, when they're not in the team, they prepare well, they do the best, because end of the day, you have to come here, play for your country. So, you just look to perform and you just look to make your team win, whether it's with individual performance or whether it's with sharing experience with your team where we can go better. I think these are all collective thoughts which you try and get into, and you try to just make your team win when you wear this jersey. That is it. And I know I've been scoring runs, been in that touch, but still, it's never-ending thing. You just have to keep performing, whether you have done well in the past or anything. You just have to forget that and think about what's next, where you can get better. Because I feel there's always room for improvement for anyone. So I just look to keep getting better and not think about results so much. So maybe that mindset has helped me.
ईशान, आज वैभव का डेब्यू भी हुआ, हमने देखा आपको लगातार, चाहे प्रैक्टिस सेशन हो या दूसरी जगह, आप लगातार उनके साथ रहते हैं, उनका ध्यान रखते हैं या साथ देते हैं, कह सकते हैं। कैसा वो भावुक भी हो गए, कैसा लग रहा है उनको, अगर आपको कुछ शेयर कर पाए, और साथ ही टीम का माहौल कैसा है? एक भी जीत हमें अभी तक इस टूर पर नहीं मिली।
I think बहुत अच्छा माहौल है, he has been doing so well for past 2 years and he has made that difference in coming into the side at this point of time when team was doing well, making it to the team. He has already done that, and I feel when someone you can realize how talented he is, what changes he can bring to the team and what X factor he gets to himself. So you just look to take care of him. As a senior, I feel जो भी teammates हैं और जो भी senior players हैं team में, वो लोग बस यही ध्यान रखते हैं, there should be not any point of time where he goes into different mindset. What he has been doing since 2 years is very difficult for any batter, I feel, but he has achieved that greatness at this point of time. So we just look to be there with him, share whatever he's asking, share your experience, share what ways we can help him as well. So we just look to do that. And coming to your second question, where we did not win, yes, we did not win, but I think we have been playing good cricket. The most important thing is how we realize in each of these games where we can get better. Like I said, there's always room for improvement, but the best part is we are all together. We are all trying to improve every day. I know winning, not winning makes a huge difference in your mindset as well, but I think all of us are mature here who will understand what's going on and where we can get better as a group.
ईशान, इंग्लैंड में जिस तरीके से हम देखते हैं विंड भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, इसमें आपको क्या लगता है एक मिड ओवर्स में एक रिस्ट स्पिनर इम्पोर्टेंट है या किसी ऑफ स्पिनर अगर होता टीम में तो एक थोड़ा विकेट में कुछ
नहीं, I mean we played with the perfect team, conditions were there जहाँ पे हम लोग it's just that when you don't win, there's a lot of thoughts coming in, lot of ifs and buts are coming in, but at the same time I feel all of them were very quality bowlers who has done well in past, who has made their team win at different situations, even bowling on very flat tracks and still getting wickets. So I don't think we could have done anything different looking at the team side. But like I said, we need to just understand what condition here it is and how we can improve, what better we can do. Thoughts will keep coming in, but end of the day, we just need to understand the situation, like we are playing outside India and what pitch requires from us as a batter and as a bowler, not only one batter or one bowler who can, just make the difference, but as a group, I feel we need to just understand more, like where we can get better.
Ishan, recently, आपने number 1 T20 ranking हासिल करी है. So you obviously pack a lot of power. So I just wanted to ask about these 4-5 overs spells जो second half of the innings में हो रहे हैं, where India is slowing down a little bit और थोड़ा सा run ball rate पे strike कर रहे हैं. तो उसकी वजह से आपको लगता है कि पीछे 10-20 रन छूट रहे हैं and you could improve on that?
Yeah, like what situation? When are you talking about?
So in Durham around the halfway mark, 4 over का spell था जहाँ पे run ball strike rate होना था, like 24 runs आए थे 4 over में.
Yeah.
And today when we enter the final 5 overs of the innings, तब सैम करन के साथ आपका बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बैटल चल रहा था where he was putting those wide lines and mixing up the lengths. तो उसके बारे में हमें थोड़ा बताइए कि is there a scope of improvement कि वहाँ थोड़ा सा accelerate कर सकता है क्या?
100%. I mean, yes, obviously, you know, they'll have the best choice of bowling. कहाँ पे कब किस bowler को क्या किस batsman को क्या डालना है. They understand the condition better than us. But at the same time, you know, like I said, I mean, सबका आंसर सेम ही होता है. Like we are all looking to improve. We are all looking to understand what these guys are doing against us because they have more idea. Like when we play in India, we have more idea about the wicket. So यहाँ पे obviously every batter needs to understand as a team like where we can, you know, get those extra 20 runs, whether it's by scoring boundaries or whether because it's a big boundary you need to take those twos, whether you have to target the gaps. So these are few things I feel we'll talk as a group, we'll understand and we'll get better with time.
We're taking the last couple of questions. Yes.
Shanti, did you feel that you had successfully put the brakes on Jacob Bethel? He wasn't getting away from you until that Bishnoi over. Did you think that you had him where you wanted him, or were you always wary that he could go big?
I mean, yes, we were always in a situation where, you know, we thought we had the game, but, you know, getting those free hits made it easier for him to, you know, get the pressure out of him. But at the same time, you know, I think we bowled pretty well. We had our plans very clear. But at the same time, you know, we have to give that credit because he took his time. He batted. He was in the middle for a very long time, and he understood like when to charge the bowler and who to charge. So these are the things I feel we have to also give credit to Bethel because he batted very beautifully and to understand what we could have done better, maybe not just give him those free balls where he scored 2 sixes out of it. So 12 runs in 2 balls without making any mistake. It's a big thing in these T20 games because it's a very short format and we might not bowl those extra balls to him next time.
Final question.
ईशान, डरहम में भी हमने देखा और यहाँ पर भी दोनों ओकेजन में टॉस जीत के हमने बैटिंग का डिसीजन लिया. डरहम में तो देयर आर फोरकास्ट ऑफ रेन एज वेल. So क्या ये डिसीजन इन्फ्लुएंस्ड है because we are playing 3 spinners?
No, nothing like that. I think there's a lot of analysis which goes before the game, and we have seen batting first has always been helpful to any team, and looking at what we want to do and how we want to play. You know, we want to play our game. I think batting first innings is always better. You know, you also have to look at the wicket, what it's gonna do, if it's gonna help the second batting team more or the first batting team. And I feel we were in a situation where we had everything in control. It's just that I also feel like we might have scored 20 extra runs in the middle. We could have gone for those shots, not thinking about the boundaries or anything so much. So yeah, next time I feel when we go in, we'll just keep it simple. We'll just look at the ball and play our game. But looking at everyone, I think as a group, we will obviously have our discussions. But the best part is, you know, to be together in this time, understand what's going wrong and where we can get better. And that is the whole thing. That's how you get better, and you know, you completely change your perception about playing abroad as well, and you do better.